This baby's in number 69. Now he's happy. I gave him a couple cookies and his tail's wagging. He was sitting here just shaking. Oh, yeah, you're scared. Good boy sits. Good boy sits. Yes, that's a good boy. Okay, let's see right there. Okay. Good boy. Can I pet your head? Can I pet your head? Hey, baby. Good boy. There we go. I'm not going to hurt you, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, he's shaking again. No, honey, don't be scared. I'm not going to hurt you. Look at him sitting there with his two front feet together.